What are functional groups in organic chemistry? Let me clear concept hydrocarbons to understand functional group. Uh, hydro and Hydro and carbon. Hydrocarbon are those compounds which contain carbon and hydrogen. Let us consider alkane, alkene, and alkyne. We remember first alkane A, alkene E, and alkyne Y. uh, According to alphabet, a first a come first, then e, and then y. Let we consider 1, 2, and 3. Example of alkane. Alkane is carbon carbon single bond, alkene is carbon carbon double bond, and alkyne is carbon carbon triple bond. So alkane, for example, ethane, carbon carbon single bond. Alkene, for example, ethene, E, carbon carbon double bond, and alkyne Y, carbon carbon triple bond. To understand functional group, again we clear concept. First, alkyl radical. What is alkyl radical? An atom or group of atoms which specify the chemical properties of alkyl radical. For example, methane. Methane is nothing but alkane, carbon carbon single bond. So, which contain one carbon atom and four hydrogen atom. If we remove one hydrogen atom in that, then we have alkyl radical. So which it is represented by capital R from chemical bond. For example, suppose alkyl radical dash OH is attached to alkyl radical. Then again alkyl radical which is attached to COH group. Again something new, alkyl radical which is attached to dash CHO group, or R is attached to dash CHO group, or R is attached to COOH group, or R is attached to OH group. So OH which is changes the functional group of alkyl radical. So it is known as alcohol functional group. Then COH which changes the function of alkyl radical. So it is called as carboxylic acid functional group. Then again CHO group which is changes the function of alkyl radical is also called as the aldehyde. List of some important functional groups used in organic chemistry. Name functional groups and examples. Let us first we write 4A and then C and K. A alcohol, aldehydes, alkyl halides, amines, C carboxylic acid, and K ketone. Alcohol functional group dash OH. Example R dash OH. R means alkyl radical. Then aldehyde C dash CHO group R dash CHO. Alkyl halides dash X group, then R dash X. X is nothing but halogens. For example, R dash Br, or R dash I, or R dash Cl, etc. Then amines dash NH2. Example R dash NH2. Carboxylic acids dash COOH group R dash COOH. Then ketone dash CO dash. Example R dash CO dash R.